Are you ready to hit the road and aim your driving license? To pass your driving test with ease, you need to be vigilant and aware of your surroundings at all times. But don't worry, in this video, I'm going to review the top critical observations you must make to impress your examiner. From checking your mirror frequently to anticipating potential danger. And this is one of the common faults some drivers have. This is what the beginners miss when moving their vehicle. Follow me, watch this video till the end. Observation number 1, when about to move your car. When you are about to move and take off your joining, you need to observe your side mirror, the left side and the right side and the inner mirror. Check it well. Check your inner mirror. Then check your blind spots. Because you don't know the car that is coming behind you. So as you are moving your vehicle, check the surrounding of the vehicle, check the tires, and observe well before taking your move. Because this have affected many drivers. If they want to move, they did not check their side mirror, they did not look the other side, and they will not look their back, which is the inner mirror, to check even when revising. Some just enter the vehicle and start driving like that. Please be observant. Observe, surround your vehicle. Be very, very observant. It is very important when driving. And make sure that there is no vehicle coming behind you. When you park beside the road and you're about to move, you traffic gate before enter the road. Look the side mirror very well before you enter the road. Make sure that no any car is coming behind your car before you enter in case of accident. This mistake have cost many lives. Observation number 2, motion. When you are on highway or on motion, there are other cars that are the same road with you. If you want to maneuver or you want to change lane, traffic gate first. Then look your side mirror that you are turning to before turn your steering wheel to that side. Because there are other vehicles that may coming from behind you that you never know, and you don't see them. So check the side mirror of that side, either your left side you are turning to or your right side you are turning to. Check the side mirror very well. Then traffic gate to that side. Notify the vehicle that is coming behind you that you are turning to that side. Please don't just change lane or maneuver your steering anyhow. Don't just turn your steering anyhow. It will cause accident. This have caused a lot of accidents that many drivers do not know. Please, beginners, take note. Before you change lane, traffic gates, look the side mirror, that side mirror very well. Then if there is no vehicle coming, you can enter the other lane successful. Don't just change lane anyhow on a highway. It will cause traffic jam. Observation 3, T-junction or intersections. This is commonly happen at intersections or T-junctions. That many drivers do not look their side, the left side and the right side, before putting head to the road. Give way to the road user first. When you are approaching intersections, first things you need to do is trafficate to the direction you are turning to. Let the vehicle behind you know that you are turning to left or right. That is the first things as you are approaching the intersections or T-junction. The second thing you need to do is look your left side, then look your right side. If there is no traffic, if there is no vehicle that is coming, you are free to enter. But if there is vehicle coming by your right, you wait till they have gone before you follow them. But this happens where there is no traffic control. And if there is a traffic control, please follow the traffic lights. Obey all the traffic lights. When it asks you to go, you go. Don't just come to intersections and break the traffic rules. It will cost you your time and your money. When you get to intersections, you look the side mirror twice. Look the left and look the right, and turn back, look the left again. Then from there, you look the right again. Then when it is free, you put your head on the road. But if it is not free, you wait. Follow all the traffic lights, drive safe, obey the rules and regulations of the road, so that you will be successful, reach where you are going. Don't just hit the road and drive anyhow. Be safe on the road. Thank you for watching this wonderful video. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share my video.